Images make your site beautiful and unique. They give personality to your published content. They lend a vibe to your website that would be hard to replicate with text alone. Most site owners can agree that images are important, but they can come with an expensive bandwidth cost. Images take space to store and time to transmit from your server to the visitors on the other end. And often, these visitors are unwilling to wait several seconds for your image to load. It doesn't matter how compelling your photography is or how desirable your products are. If the images take too long to transmit, you can lose a viewer's attention. So, what can you do? You can decrease the size of your image files and make them faster to transmit. This is what image optimization does for you. If you would like to follow along and get image optimization working on your own site, you will need to have the following: a WordPress site set up and in working order, a copy of the LiteSpeed cache for WordPress plugin v3.0 or later installed and activated, your WordPress site paired with QUIC.cloud, and a QUIC.cloud account. If you don't have this set up yet, see the video description for more instructions. Let's say you have a blog post with 3 large images, each 10 megabytes in size. At the average mobile visitor's connection speed, those images are going to add roughly 1 full second to the page load time. QUIC.cloud image optimization reduces the file size of your images without impacting the visible quality of them. So for this example, your images could be reduced to anywhere from 9 megabytes to 1 megabyte each. Even if they just see a 50% reduction in file size, that's still half a second less that your visitors have to wait. The best part of this is that the look of your website doesn't suffer at all. By default, QUIC.cloud image optimization reduces an image's quality to 82%, though you can adjust this if you want to. It is very difficult to tell the difference between an image of 100% quality and that same image reduced to 82% quality. Your website's images will have significantly smaller file sizes, and nobody will be able to tell that anything has changed. Image optimization is configured and initiated from the LiteSpeed Cache plugin for WordPress. From there, navigate to LiteSpeed Cache, then Image Optimization and Image Optimization Settings. You will see several options here, but these are the most important ones for getting started. Auto Request Cron. Turn this on to let image optimization run by itself. Requests will be automatically sent to QUIC.cloud when there are new images available to optimize. Auto Pull Cron. This is enabled by default, and it automates the process of receiving the optimized images from QUIC.cloud. Optimize original images. If you want to optimize your JPEG and PNG files, and you probably do if you're watching this setting should be enabled. Image WebP replacement. Enable this setting to allow the LiteSpeed plugin to create WebP images. Then, if the visiting browser supports WebP, they will be served instead of the JPEG or PNG versions. Press the Save Changes button and click the Image Optimization Summary tab. Press the Send Optimization Request button to begin your first round of image optimization. Here's how image optimization works. After the first time, if you have enabled the Auto Request Cron, you will not need to press the button to submit future groups of images for processing. The process will be automatic. Here's how it works. You create a new post or gallery or otherwise add images to the WordPress media library. The Auto Request Cron gathers these images and sends them to QUIC.cloud. QUIC.cloud then optimizes the original images or creates WebP versions of the images, or both, depending on your domain's settings. QUIC.cloud then notifies WordPress that your optimizations are ready. The Auto Pull Cron saves backups of the original images and saves the optimized images in the media library. And the next time a visitor requests the images for a page on your website, LiteSpeed will either serve the optimized JPEG or PNG, or it will serve the WebP version depending on your settings and the capabilities of the client browser. We mentioned previously that the LiteSpeed plugin is the place to enable and configure your image optimization service. If you want to monitor the service or pay for additional quota, that is done on the QUIC.cloud dashboard. To monitor image optimization usage for your example.com site, navigate to QUIC.cloud dashboard, then example.com, and then image optimization. At the top of the page, you will see a list of the most recent image optimization requests received by QUIC.cloud. Scroll down to see your usage for the month, your free quota for the month, and the tier your domain belongs to, and the monthly subscription available to you. At the bottom of the page is the pay-as-you-go option, which allows you to purchase additional quota for the image optimization fast queue on an ad hoc basis. Image optimization is 100% free. You can have every image on your website optimized by QUIC.cloud without paying a single cent. There are two image processing queues at work, the fast queue and the standard queue. QUIC.cloud gives every domain some free fast queue quota every month. Once it is used up, though, all further requests are sent to the standard queue for processing. If you want to get back in the fast queue after exceeding your allotment, you can choose a monthly subscription that allows you to send 20,000 additional requests to the fast queue. Below the subscription is a pay-as-you-go option. Use this to increase your fast queue quota on an ad hoc basis. You can manage this manually or enable auto-refill to top up your quota whenever you are running low. See the description below for more details about pricing. If images are a big part of your website's vibe, then there is great potential there for reducing your page size, increasing transmission speed, and improving your website performance. Let QUIC.cloud's image optimization service shrink your image file sizes and make your page load noticeably faster. Chances are, image optimization will give you no trouble. However, if you find yourself running into an issue that you can't solve, take a look at our troubleshooting documentation for assistance. And if you still have questions, open a ticket. Our support team is happy to help. We hope you will give this service a try. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you missed any of the videos introducing our other QUIC.cloud optimization services, be sure to check them out. See you next time.